Hey guys, Brian here with OnlyWoodFloors, specializing in perfection since 1984. Starting a new project. They've got the 6-inch walnut everywhere downstairs, and we are now adding it. We're going to do the steps. Already started pulling up the carpet, and I mean, look at the dirt. It's underneath carpet, no matter how much you vacuum. But we're going to do the steps and all of upstairs. Taking off the doors. We're going to do all of these rooms. Sometimes the biggest challenge is the furniture, and people live in the homes. Alright, let's see what we got. Yeah, we got the wood installed. We let it sit for a week, came back, got everything sanded and finished. Look at the difference wood steps make. They're expensive, but they are worth it. You're cleaning up, going to be putting all the furniture back, and there is a lot of furniture. What a difference. Whew. Normally we don't move furniture.